It has been a beehive of activity in Mount Kenya region, different leaders touring the region as the mountain leaders engage in supremacy battles over control of the region. To be noted is the frequent visits by various presidential aspirants. A few weeks ago, ODM leader Raila Odinga attended a burial in Nyeri. ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi Saturday arrived in Nyeri County ahead of his two-day tour of the region in what seems to be resolved to vie in the next presidential elections. He has in recent times been to Murang'a, Nakuru and Nyeri counties. Mudavadi says he is ready to address issues that concern the Mount Kenya region.
Agenda yetu kubwa itakuwa uchumi, number 1. Number 2, uchumi. Number 3, uchumi. Sasa baada ya kusema hivyo, sasa unasikia yule wa ODM anasema yeye ana agenda ya uchumi. Sasa unasikia yule wa Tangatanga anasema ana agenda ya uchumi. Wewe wache, ni mimi ndio nilianzisha.
This is not the time to increase taxes. Wananchi bado wanaumia. Hii ni wakati wa kupunguza, mafuta isipande, gas isipande.
We are concerned about our coffee, and if you can focus on that like you have just told us, then we may consider working with you.
The ANC leader Friday met with Nyandarua Governor Francis Kimemia and has also met with Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru as well as Lee Kinyanjui of Nakuru County.
Jina langu la hapa ni Masharia. Na nimekuja kushari. Nimekuja kutafuta. Nimekuja kuomba.
Unajua msichana lazima mtu akuje amtongoze. Mahari nasikia kuna watu walisema mahari imeshalipwa. Imeshalipwa? Bado haijalipwa? Si bado haijalipwa? Basi.
It is also important to tell you that we have in excess of 450,000 voters registered in this county, and sasa unaona hapa unaweza kuzungumza vizuri kabisa na sisi.
Mudavadi has faulted leaders who believe in handouts instead of addressing broader issues.
Don't want a country of handouts. We want a country where there is the right environment and people can work and put food on the table.
Analysts say as presidential candidates intensify their campaigns in Mount Kenya region, so will be those eyeing to be regional kingpins in order to get a seat at the table. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.